Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your camera on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, this is all going to work on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, tap on privacy and security, and then tap on the camera. And here are going to be listed apps that have ever requested access to your camera, and just by clicking this little switch right here, you can turn those applications on or off. I mean the access to the camera by these applications. So now in this example, Honor Health does have access to my camera and now it doesn't. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!